Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today I'll be talking about Winky, which has been money for some weeks now, which I want to share the details about the coin, the technical analysis with you guys. So before we continue, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel. If you have not done so, please kindly subscribe. And then if you have any comment suggestion, please you can put it in the comment section below. And please kindly smash the like button. Uh, so let's continue. Winke is a gaming platform allowing users to play, socialize, and stake across multiple blockchains ecosystem. However, its primary blockchain ecosystem has been centered around Tron blockchain. Through behavioral mining and innovative token economy design and other incentive mechanism, Wikin has built a full ecosystem dedicated to provide a quality gaming experience. It also provides developer to enable decentralized application that drives adoption, that engage and end user to participate as active stakeholder in the Wiki ecosystem. Winky token are TRC20 tokens running on Tron blockchain within the Winky platform. Winky tokens are used to incentivize participation from developer and users. So, looking at this currently, looking at the aim of Winky, it aims to build on its market position as a leading blockchain gaming platform through the consistent introduction of high quality decentralized application. This will be accomplished by leveraging the Winky team experience for game and ecosystem design by enabling other development team and users to guide the growth and direction of the platform through unique governance mechanisms. So looking at Winky currently, the market cap of Winky is around $519,000 plus, and the price of Winky currently is 0.01645. And the main reason why Winky is has been money for days is that it's sort of the project all over, and the some news that has been helping UK, because even we are during the coronavirus era, many people were indoor, not going out, and they've been trying to get themselves occupied with one thing or the other. So most people go on YouTube to watch movies. So most people go ahead and play games. For those that love games, and Winke is a gaming platform. Yeah, the gaming platform, and which is enabled to stand the chance to win big from the coronavirus, as the coronavirus continue its spread across China, potentially as the verge of reaching pandemic status. Many industries are being negatively impacted. All except online gambling stands to win big from the coronavirus. So that's why that would have been helping Winky all this while, and also uh, what do you call it? Winky SOAS as a DeFi investor free high gas fee cost, because Winky low cost yield farming offering are attractive, and retail DeFi investors who have been priced out of Uniswap due to the high gas fee have been able to uh, help so far. So uh, let's recheck the chart. But before we check the chart, you can also go through the website of Wiki, because Wiki has developed a lot of applications, a lot of gaming stuff, and like the likes of the dice game, the moon game, ring and duel, the slot, the table games, poker and the rest. You can also go to their site. You can have a look at the games which they offer on their website. You can check it out. And also looking at the chart of Winky, this is the chart currently. And if you look at the hot time of Winky is around 0.05, and currently Winky is around 0.0165. And even in case to claim its all-time high of 0.05, that's around 3,000% profit, which is around 30x. So can Wike still make you a millionaire? It's possible. It depends on the amount you invested in Wike currently. And if you are investing something like around maybe $40,000, Wike should reclaim its all-time high. That means you'll be having $1 million+. And if you are investing $1,000 currently, and Wike should reclaim its all-time high, should be having around $30,000. So it depends on the amount you are investing to still think that Wike can still make you a millionaire. But looking at the all-time highs and with the current position where it is currently, it has a long way to go and it has a lot of room in which it can play. So I expect Wike to reclaim its all-time high. I expect it because based on the project, and I see that the project is potential and it's still undervalued currently. So it's still cheap. It's still cheap. So looking at the chart, so zooming the chart down now, you can see that Wike reached 0.022 today, and it's currently at 0.00165, and it's trying to do some retest before it's continue move in a up direction. So, but what I'm expecting Wike to still come to around 0.0145, around that region between 0.0145 and 0.00124. So I feel that's another buy region for Wike. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't take my words as an advice. So I'm only using it as an educational video. So I'm expecting to come to that particular region before I'm expecting Wike to come to this particular region before moving upward in an upward direction and go up, consolidate, go up, consolidate. That's when we can have a 80 trend. But because we can't be having everything going up every time, so there has to be some consolidation along the way. So I still feel that Wike has a long way to go, and I still feel it's still the right time for you to get into Wike if you have not done so, because Wike claim its all-time high is a very very huge return, which is very very visible in this bull run. Don't forget you are in the bull run, so it's very very visible for Wike to claim its all-time high. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you have not done so. Kindly subscribe, please, and also please smash the like button. It really helps, and you can put a comment below if you have any suggestion and what you feel about Wike. If you have any other opinion against it, let me know in the comment section, and I will gladly reply. So I will end this video here. So thank you very much. God bless, and happy Easter.